Hello everyone. My name is Kiran. I want to share my knowledge to everyone. That's the reason I'm going to start one YouTube channel and creating the videos for that and sharing the knowledge to the my learners and all to share over the YouTube so that everyone can learn this type of concepts. Might be some of the people knows, but some of the people might be don't know about this one. And some of the topics, it's a what my experience wise what I learn, and very small points only, but very important when we are working on real time. So that way I got the thought and going to create a this video. Okay, so first, what is the scenario we are going to discuss today means generally, like everyone knows who are already learn about Azure platform and generally working on Azure platform in infra part. Okay, and real time generally will create a hub and spoke network topology. Hub means, so it's a kind of like one virtual network we can treat as a hub network. In the hub network, suppose example, I will take the IP address range 10.0.0.0 slash suppose 24 I'm taking. Okay, and spoke network means generally keep it the workloads into the spoke network, and this is a spoke one. I can take it example, and this is a IP address range taken 10.0.1.0 slash 24. Okay, so now scenario is today what we are going to discuss. Suppose I taken 24. Under that, I'm creating the subnets like application subnet and database subnet and web subnet like that I created and utilize the these all 24 range. That means 10.0.1.0 totally 24 slash 24 entirely utilizing here and let entirely utilizing here. So that means 255 IP address will get it totally. These 255 IP address I utilize in this spoke network. But unfortunately, in the same workload, I want deploy the few more virtual machine or few more resources I want to deploy it. Few more resources I want deploy it. So, okay, we can deploy it, but I require the network. There is no IP address is available. Example. In this scenario, how can I extended this network? Yes, people will say you can extend it. It's a generally slash 22. You can extend it. You can get the IP address range. But unfortunately, in case of already one more vnet already we deployed, and this is a vnet I'm using the 10.0.2.0 already is available. And if I'm going to extend it, it's a overlapping this network. Due to that, I can't able to expand it. I can't able to expand it. So in this scenario, what is the solution? That solution, now we are going to look into that. So one more address range, I'm going to add into the same network. Like, so what is the after that this 10.0.2.0 after that which is the IP address is available range 10.0.3.0 slash 24 it's available. So I can use it after 2.0 whatever it may be 3 dot onwards I can utilize it. But again I don't want to use more IP address. It's a very less IP address. I can go with the 10.0.3.0 slash 24 I want to use it. So generally people will think, okay, we can create a in this particular subscription, suppose this is a different subscription means in this subscription one more vnet and create a pairing and do the like this. But I don't want like this. It's a pairing again additional cost. Pairing is a additional cost. I don't want. I just want existing VNet expand it. So what is the option is available and how to expand it? How to existing VNet peering only using that I can able how we can able to this network also is a peering with the hub network. We are going to see the practical so that you will get the more idea on this. Let's see about practical, guys. So for this, first what I'm going to do here, just a minute. So first I will create a one VNet. Let's go to the VNet and click on create. Above is a create is available. Go to click on create and you can select your subscription, right subscription. In the real time, multiple subscription definitely should be there, and you should select the your right subscription, that particular subscription, and resource group and vnet name. So suppose I'm creating the one vnet, that is a hub network. Suppose example hub vnet 01, and which region I want is the east us2. I can select the that particular region, and security and IP address. Now, so what exactly we discuss accordingly, I will go with the scenario only here. Let me delete this one, add IP address space, and I'm going to provide the 10.0.0 and range is a 24. I'm selected. This is a selected and subnet. At least one subnet we must and should created when creating the network. Okay, click on add subnet. Here subnet 01 10.0.0 and I will go with the slash 27 example and click on add next tags and review and created. So we know everyone about how to create a virtual network. Even we see how to create a virtual network here. One network is a creating like this. I required as per our scenario base and one more virtual network I required. So let's go to the one more virtual network. Same like come to home, virtual network, create and that particular subscription and resource group. And this is a one I'm going to take is a virtual network. Name is a vnet2 and region you can take it any region and I'm taking again one more east us2. Next security and IP address. Here again try to delete existing one and add an IP address space. So this one I want 10.0.1.0 and address range again I'm taking the as per our scenario slash 24. Add it and click on add a subnet and subnet name subnet 01 address 10.0.1.0 slash 28 I'm taking example. So add it like that multiple subnets we can create it within the range of 10.0.1.0 slash 24. Within the range we can create a multiple subnets. So let's review and create it and create. Let's wait to complete the deployment of this virtual network. It won't take much time. So we know like vnet 2 is almost uh, going to completed. Deployment in progress. Deployment is in progress. So let's go to the home, go to the virtual network and hub vnet is available. So what should I do? Hub vnet 2, vnet 2, hub vnet 012, vnet 2, we want to do the peering. First, go to the hub vnet 2, hub vnet 01 and go to the peering below under settings. Under that, there is a peerings. Click on add, and the name I'm going to provide it hub vnet 01. That is a peering example. I'm giving the naming convention here. Peering link to vnet2 peering, and that particular subscription, that vnet is a vnet2 I selected. So if it is a different subscription, we need to select that particular subscription, and that particular vnet name we need to select it and add. So now vnet peering, it's going to completed. Now you can see very quickly completed and showing the peering is a connected. Well and good. Let's go to the vnet2 also, like let refresh vnet2 and go to the peerings, refresh here, and you can see peering is a connected. Now coming to as per our example, so vnet2 is a completely utilized. That means all IP address we utilized it. Now I want expanded this vnet, but as per our lab scenario wise, 10.0.2.0 already one more vnet we created. Now how can I utilize it? This how to expand it this network? Go to address space, and what is the IP address is available for me? 10.0.3.0/24. So same vnet2 I'm expanding with the this address range. I'm going to expanding with the this address range 10.0.3.0/24. Using that I'm expanding. Click on save it. So one more address range I'm adding under same vnet2 guys. Okay. Now go to, even if you want check it, go to the subnets, and if you want create a one subnet with the range of 3.0 with including that you want to create it, let's go to subnets, and subnet you can give the name subnet, suppose example 3, and actually we already available, that's the reason I automatically taken instead of that one 10.0.3.0/27 if I'm going to take it. So 3.0/27 and save it. So now you can see guys, under vnet2 we can able to deploy one more subnet using of 10.0.3.0. Under that /24, under that range I can create a one more subnet here. I can utilize it like this way. Okay, well and good. So one more point guys, you have to check it. If you go to address space, and you can see there is a one warning message. What is a warning message? One peering not able to connect to all address spaces in this virtual network and required a resync. Please click here, go to the peering tab to fix the issue. So there is a issue. Why? Already peering is there. Hub network vnet1 to vnet2 already peering is there. After that, we are adding here this address range. We are expanded. This address needs to be communicate with the hub vnet via peering. So that is the issue we are getting. So how to fix this issue? Very simple, and go to the peerings, and you can see here it's saying that remote sync required. Remote sync required. How to sync it? Remote sync. So above is the option is there, but is a grayed out. How to do it? Click on check mark about vnet2 peering, and now click on sync. Now sync virtual network peering. It's a completed. Let's wait for few seconds and we can see the status, peering status. It's going to show to us as a connected. Just a minute. Yes, now you can see guys, it's a connected. Now issue got fixed. So whenever we are getting such type of requirement in the real time, very simple guys, no need to create a one more virtual network. On same existing virtual network, we can do one more address range, which is the IP address range is available. You have to check it. Generally in organization, they will maintain the IP address management, IPAM, IP address management. They will use it, and from that you can get the IP address range and provide it. And after that, you have to check it peering status and select the peering and sync, so that issue will going to resolve. Okay, very simple, guys. This is a short video. I want to like share my knowledge to everyone. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.